Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of show you this new external tool that we're using called Kami to help submit some of the PDF assignments online. The stuff that I normally would have to like spend time and fill out in class. This is how I'm going to have you do it online, so we don't have to spend class time doing it and spend class time just actually playing or singing. Um, so I've also like not actually tried to do this before, so I'm totally recording this on a whim. So here we go. We come to homework and assignments, and unfortunately, I haven't linked this here yet because I am still working. But literally, all of these links, they're the same. They're all the same link. They really are. All you have to do is just scroll down and find this week is session 4. And so we'll be doing some notation exercises for my B-Day percussion kids. Some basic instructions. Now it says, I really encourage you guys, make sure that you read the instructions, read the assignment description, read it all. It says find the missing words. If you don't remember how to read basic notation, you can watch this video from last week. You don't have to watch the video. If you already watched it from last week, then don't worry about it. Just kind of a general grading scale for the most part. If you don't turn it in, you get a 0. If you turn it in at 100%, then it's a 4. And then after that, you have the possibility of earning some of these other sub grades. So the assignment was to complete this certain Kami, this assignment. So I'm using Kami for I am a student. I am a student. Yeah. Seems like a scanned PDF. Would you like to add the text? No thanks. Okay, so here is the Kami assignment. This is an assignment that I gave my elementary kids, so it does look kind of childish, but bear with me. You do some learning here. So I see it here, and it says write the correct letter name for each of the notes, each note to spell words. So we learned what all of the spaces were, and I know that that is F-A-C-E. This one spells face. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on the text box. I can change the size if I really wanted to. Let's go with 16 for funsies. And I could change the color of my text if I cared. Please don't use white. And then I'm just going to double click here. And I know it spells face. Ta-da. Okay, that one spells face. All right. C-A-B. That one spells cab. So I'm going to double click and type in cab. Okay. Or single click. I'd rather not. That's basically how you use that. Just fill out the rest of that. Same with right here. Now it's showing me I can, if you really want to, you can do one once and just write B-E-D, and I'll know that you put 1, 2, 3 bed. Or you could click on here and just do for each letter. If you really wanted to. Like so. You can do that. And that's how you use most of what we would be doing in here. Now you can, there's also like a bunch of other stuff you could do on here if you would rather just draw the words in and just be like F and A. You could do that. Or you could, I don't even know, explore all of these. You could draw, add shapes. You can erase stuff if it's not working out for you. Just, yeah. And if you have a comment that you want to let me know about something, just like put the comment right there and it says, I think this bee looks funny. Ta-da. And then you sent a little comment to me, or you're just like, I don't know what this letter is. I don't know what this is. You leave little comments for me. And then after that, you will come up here to this button right here and you'll click submit. And then this submit button right there. Ta-da. Now it says done. It means you're done. The end. Yay. And then I will grade it on my own. So there is that. And I hope that made sense.